Christmas.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
As December 25th draws near, every corner of the streets in Meghalaya is filled with a joyous and musical atmosphere as Christian believers partake in Christmas carols, rejoicing the birth of Jesus Christ. In Shillong, the Joyous Presbyterian Church today organized a carol in the locality where thousands of believers partake in this celebration. Church leaders and believers first visited Dr. H. Gordon Hospital, one of the oldest hospitals in the city, before taking to the streets of Jaya. In Nongpo, the Catholic Church hosted a vibrant mobile Christmas carol event, spreading festive cheer throughout the town. Hundreds of vehicles adorned with colorful decorations, accompanied by a large number of people, took part in the event. In Jawai, the town have been transformed into a festive wonderland as churches, streets, houses, food shops and government buildings are all adorned with beautiful Christmas lights, twinkling stars and festive inscriptions. In Nongstoin, the joyous sounds of Christmas carols filled the air as residents celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ.